Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to achieve this very beautiful hairstyle with your fussy natural hair without gel or hair extension. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please remember to do so. First of all, to achieve this hairstyle, your hair has to be stretched or blown out. So I'm using the African threading method to stretch my hair. This is my favorite stretching method. You can use the twist out method, or you can use braids, or you can even use a blow dryer. The aim is to blow dry your hair. The aim is to stretch the hair so that you'll be able to style it however you want. For the hairstyle, first of all, I'm going to take out a small section at the front. Note that the parting doesn't have to be perfect, but if we can make it perfect, it's still good. So I'm going to hold that in place. I'm going to hold that in place. Next, I'm going in with a rubber band. The front part scattered, so I'm going in with a rubber band. I'm going to take out the front section. So basically I'm doing a high puff, like the regular high puff that we normally do. So I'm going to push that up, and I'm also pushing out the front. I don't want the rubber band to be on top of the front section. So the rubber band did not give me the lift I wanted, so I'm going in with my shoelace. So this is optional. You don't have to do this. Now the shoelace is in place. I'm going in with my hairbrush, making sure that everything is flat and neat. So next I'm going to section the hair, and I'll be doing some loose twists. Remember, my hair is of medium or awkward length. I can't call it short, I can't call it long. I'm not even sure if it's up to medium. So if your hair is about this length or shorter, you can still achieve this style, just that your puff will not be that big. So I'm going over to the front section too. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do some loose twists on the front section. It does not matter the number of loose twists you want to do. You can do more than 4. I'm doing 4 loose twists here at the front, but you can do more or less. You can even do 1 or 2. It depends on what you want. So I'm done with the twists. So here I'm using a kinky to cover the shoelace, because my shoelace has a little bit of red in it. So this is also optional. If you're using a black rubber band or black shoelace, there will be no need for this. So next I'm arranging the twist at the back, that is the puff. I'm arranging it forward. You can see I am taking it forward and I'm pinning it down. So we go over to the front. I'm going to hold all the twists together, twist them together, and pin it backward with some of it at the front. So you can see how easy this style is. It didn't take up to 5 minutes. It is quite easy yet beautiful. So guys, remember to subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so, and also give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section. See you in my next video.